You are listening to The Forest. In this 12-part audio series, we will walk with you into the deepest, most serene, and the most dangerous parts of the jungle. Every moment in the forest is like listening to a philharmonic orchestra. There are millions of insects, birds, animals, plants, and trees talking all at once. We will try to make sense of some of those sounds. This episode, for instance, is on sounds of the jungle that calm you. Let us begin with the most omnipresent one, the sound of breeze through trees. You are listening to wind roaming in thickest of sal trees, one of the most common species in Indian forests. The whistling and whispering of trees can be so relaxing that it induces sleep. A Harvard health research has proven that these sounds induce changes to nerve connections in our brains. That, in turn, calms nerves that are on the edge. The sound of rain in the forest can be even more therapeutic. Then there is another calming ocean of sound in a jungle, that of crickets. Did you know that the sound of the crickets is used by scientists to work out the temperature of the place? It's a simple maths equation. Record the number of cricket chirps per minute. Divide it by 4 and add 40 to that number. The answer is the temperature around you in centigrade. There are around 900 known species of crickets. Each of them is recognized by its signature song and unique pitch and volume. The song varies depending on the mood. It could be to woo a mate, or to announce courtship with a mate, or even to terrorize other crickets away. These lungless creatures produce these fascinating songs by rubbing their wings together. Wings that are unique, wings with around 50 to 300 teeth growing in a comb-like pattern on them to produce a chirping sound upon rubbing. Walking past colonies of crickets, we have arrived at a forest stream. Streams are constantly changing as they go through different parts of the forest. They are agents of conservation. They can gather and store groundwater in immense quantities. Larger streams sometimes widen into rivers, like Ken, which runs through the Pana forests in Madhya Pradesh. Others turn into brooks, creeks, or tributaries only to serve the forest better. And these water bodies shelter fascinatingly diverse ecosystems. Amphibians are one such residence. "472 amphibian species found just in India. Frogs, toads, salamanders, and newts are some of them. Many of them are extremely shy and live deep inside the forest. Frogs and toads are the louder and most social ones. Toads can be differentiated from frogs. They stay out of water but near it. Frogs spend a relatively large amount of time in the water. A group of frogs is known as an army. Frogs breathe through their skin and are said to have survived 4 mass extinctions. While the forest floor is packed with tantalizing species, look up to the infinite sky and you'll find yourself in awe. Do you hear it? It is the Asian quail, a bird which is often heard but rarely sighted. It is very reclusive. The presence of birds and their cheerful chirps indicate the health of an ecosystem. Do you recognize this bird? It is the common babbler. Known to fly around in groups of 7, these birds look forever furious and sound like it too. They are truly the angry birds of the forest. These birds beak one another down constantly. But once they spot an intruder, they team up and blabber the trespasser away. Blabbers often attack squirrels, cats, or even rats. Then there are the flamboyant ones like bulbul, or different kinds of mynas, usually spotted trying to discover secluded holes on trees. Or parakeets, camouflaged naturally but often seen feeding on trees bearing fruit. Or the handsome robins, quick to fly by but easily spotted if you have a pair of binoculars. And the colorful barbet, popping in for a meal on fruity trees with the parakeets. Each element of the forest leads you to another, like the never-ending circle of life. That's the brush of branches from the pine trees. These trees have made the forest their home for many decades. The evergreen conifers live as long as a few thousand years if conditions are favorable. Alongside pines stand the grand old banyan trees. or the colourful gulmohar tree. They bloom starting March all the way till August in many parts of India. They announce the beginning of summer. To tune in to this unending symphony of the forest, we must protect it, nourish it. Until next time, listen to the forest.